Alright, boys, so here we are learning how to move things in KineMaster. So you open a new project, right? And you click one by one because everyone loves this. This is how you make quality videos. You add some really thick background, like, I don't know, this thing, right? And then you go onto layer, press this, right? And then I think we should move around a background. Right, so let's move around a background, right? So let's start the background like over here, right? And then you want to press this key thing here, right? And then you slide along here, right? And then move it to where you want it to be during that part. So I want it to move around very quick, so I want it to go there. Oh no, I can't hold it very much. So I'm just gonna move it here. Then there, I'm gonna put it here. I'll make masterpiece right now. And then and then we'll do that. Right, so that's how we do it, boys. That's how you move stuff around. But you might be wondering, oh, but that's terrible. So you add some Hangouts cool theme, because everyone loves the Hangouts cool theme. We'll just add that one. Oh, it's not supported. I guess I'm not allowed that. Can I just add that? Yeah, boys. Alright. Right, and then we just get this alien face, right, for some reason. And then we're just going to do that. And we're going to make it so about here-ish, he's actually upside down. Oh my god, wizard. And then we'll move him over here at this point, because KineMaster definitely isn't lagging out like heck. We'll just do that. And then right at the end, he stops existing and he just dies. Right, so let's watch this video quick. Right, so I think that was a success. That's how you move things around in KineMaster. Get out of there and make some weird gifs or something. I don't know.